next to the...
10 or 12 foot long.
Look at him. He's coming right to the road.
Are you getting it?
Amazing.
Oh, look at the muscle.
It's going to go under your car.
Move! Move back!
Because the car won't move back behind them.
And he just might have crawled up in the engine.
No, he wouldn't do it.
He's completely under your car.
Just looking for a walk.
We got ourselves a caravan. Oh, that's hilarious.
By the engine!
You! I just said to the wife, I said, I wonder if there's any pipe in this. No. Actually, you've got a thing pointless. Look what you've done. Yeah, what I've done. No problem.
Now everybody must suddenly run and see what he does when he's not looking.
Unbelievable.
You're lucky.
Very brave.
That was incredible.